I've personally felt like a lot of pump bags out there that I've tried say they're really roomy, say they can hold everything you need, but it is such a tight squeeze that I was like, so I just got this breast pump bag in the mail, and I ordered it because I needed something that could fit my pumps and my work stuff in it so that I'm not having to travel with several different bags between the office and home. I'm gonna load it up and see how well it works before I decide if I'm gonna keep it or not. All right, so it came with a cooler, a changing pad that you could probably use as like a drying mat, honestly. So I probably won't use this as a changing pad with this bag, but I will certainly take this and put it in a different diaper bag. If you want to make it a crossbody or something that you can carry on your shoulder, that's nifty. Key strap. Okay, so first and foremost, the reason why I bought this bag was because I needed something to put my Spectra in. I do have an S1 and an S2, and now that I have both, every time you buy a new pump, I feel like you need a bag to put it in, because even when I don't use a breast pump, but I store it in a closet somewhere, I still want it packed nicely to keep it from getting damaged. Okay, so this main pocket is what prompted me to buy this pump. So it fits the Spectra perfectly. And then I saw in a picture, someone stored their tubing here in this pocket, and I thought, that's genius. Here we go. That works. And let's see if we've got any other room in there. I'm gonna put these little backflow protectors in the pocket with the tubing and then fit that in here. Is it gonna work? Is it? Look at that. It all fits in that big pocket. So now we're left with everything here in the middle. So in the back, there is a laptop protector case. So I'm just gonna put my MacBook in here. There we go. And then on the other side, this opens up to inside the bag. It's not like a specific case or pocket like this one is. So you could probably just put your cooler in through the top or slide it in on the side. Either way, I think it would work just fine. And then, of course, depending on which Spectra you have, you might want to take the charging cord or the cord that you literally need to keep the Spectra working. Oh, bless you, honey. There are pockets here on the inside, and they appear to be insulated. I don't really trust insulated pockets. I would rather have a cooler with an ice pack. But I'm gonna put the charger here in the middle one. I also have this little bottle brush set for traveling, and I'm gonna fit that in there too, because you never know if you need to take that with. Here we have a front pocket. Put whatever you want in there, little notebook, or you can put your charger in there too. Some pockets here in the front. If you're taking your pump to work, you're probably gonna wanna have breast milk bags, and maybe you want pump wipes. Typically, I don't travel to work with this bottle brush set, so if you tend to take wipes instead, then you probably don't need this. Just for the sake of packing it, I'm gonna leave it in there to see how full we can make this bag. So, I'm going to put this right here in the front pocket. I'm gonna leave this right in here as well. What else can I put in there? Here it is. Okay, that is a pretty hefty bag. So I've got a lot in here, and truly, I think this is gonna be a great bag to pack all of my breast pump and work stuff in. We have the case here that holds the entire pump with the accessories aside from the charger, which I could probably tuck the charger in there if I really wanted to. I just don't want to. And then on the other side here, I can slip out the cooler if I need to. There we go. And if I want to put it back in, I can take this out, slip that on in, slide that back. Ooh, that's a little bit more difficult, but manageable. There's another pocket here that you could probably put your charger in. Or if you do take the lids with you, slide those on in. But overall, I think that this is a really useful bag. I've personally felt like a lot of pump bags out there that I've tried say they're really roomy, say they can hold everything you need, but it is such a tight squeeze that I was like, how in the heck am I gonna fit my work laptop in this? But this bag, I really think this is a great bag. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. If you're traveling with luggage, here is a strap that you can put it on over the handle of your suitcase. So that is pretty nifty too. And there you have it, folks. I think this bag is worth it. Now let's say you don't have a Spectra or a wall pump such as that, but you do have wearable pumps such as Willow's or Mom Cozy or whatever you use. Let's see how we can fit the Willows in. Honestly, the Willows don't take up nearly as much space as the Spectra, so if you do have wearable breast pumps, it'll probably be that much easier for you. So let's take that bad boy out. Let's just slide these on in. I'm gonna put my charger in here for this pump set right here in the front pocket. We can remove the Spectra charger, of course, because we're not using that pump right now. So let's say you are taking this with you. You could fit your wearable pumps plus some extra accessories in this pocket. That leaves you that much more room in the open main pocket. That is a winner. So truly, if you're using a bulky pump like the Spectra or a smaller, more convenient pump, wearable pumps like Willow or Mom Cozy or whatever you have, either way, this bag is super convenient. So get it, you won't regret it. I like it, and I think this is worth it.